y'all. I said something yesterday about having walked out my back door and picked 23 pounds of produce. And my friend Kevin suggested that I do a video tour. So, here's the video tour. Right here, starting right here, a little bit of weeds. I gotta dig that out. But that is a cherry tomato plant. There's Roma. That's all one plant, y'all. This is a volunteer tomato plant that popped up. It's actually an heirloom type of Roma tomato. More Roma tomatoes. Another volunteer tomato. Peppers. Another volunteer tomato. Peppers. Another volunteer tomato. Jalapeno. Jalapeno. And another volunteer tomato in the corner. And my rain barrel. I usually use that for watering my front porch. Okay, so this is a planter that my son built. For some reason, the squash did not want to grow in this year, but I wasn't really worried because it did decide to grow in that one. Right there, I planted 6 zucchini plants. Y'all, seriously, that's only 6 zucchini plants. And one of them up there in the corner, that one, it's not doing as well as the other ones. But you know what? I'm still picking way larger than average zucchini. So, in the middle, woo, found a hole. Look at this. Look at all that squash growing in that one same place. It's gonna grow crazy. My squash just started taking off a few weeks ago and it has gone nuts. So this is all squash, yellow crookneck squash. And then, see where it's open a little bit there? See those little open spaces where there's like a trail? That was cucumbers. My cucumbers are finally starting to die down. I'm not complaining about that. I have pulled a lot of cucumbers this year. Right here, this is green beans. In 2 days, I picked enough from this one row of green beans that I canned 5 pints of green beans yesterday. And those are the sirens that mean I need to get inside the house. But real quick, I'm gonna finish this. Okra, corn, and past the corn, a dozen tomato plants. Gotta go, we must have winds or something. Bye.